If you're just starting out in Forex trading, choosing the right broker is essential for building a successful trading journey. But what if I told you that I found one of the best Forex brokers out there for beginners so you do not have to search yourself? This broker is called Fortuno Markets, and it really stands out as one of the best Forex brokers for beginners. It offers a range of advantages made specifically for new traders, and right now this project is gaining serious attention in several crypto news media and social media platforms. Since Fortuno Markets is getting this much attention, I had to check out what makes them so ideal for beginners, and it turns out the main reason is that they offer some of the lowest trading costs in the world. Their trading conditions are super competitive with near zero spreads, which helps reduce transaction costs and lets you keep more of your profits. They also charge no commissions at all, so you do not lose anything on the actual trades, and there are no swap charges either, meaning you can hold positions overnight without paying extra fees. All of this makes Fortuno Markets a solid choice if you're looking to start trading without being drained by hidden costs. On top of having the lowest costs, Fortuno Markets also delivers key features that really matter for anyone serious about trading. Fund security is a major priority, and they're fully regulated by the financial authorities in the United Kingdom. UK is known as one of the strongest and strictest regulatory environments in the world, so that gives you confidence that your funds are handled safely and with proper oversight. On top of that, they also have a strong global presence, operating in more than 20 countries. That kind of international trust shows that they've already built a solid reputation as a reliable and experienced broker. Another important feature is instant withdrawals, meaning that your access to funds is as seamless as possible. This project makes sure that you get instant withdrawals regardless of the amount, so you can quickly and easily access your profits whenever needed. And besides these important features, this project also takes your trading even further by offering an advanced trading platform integrated directly with TradingView. If you're not familiar with that, TradingView is one of the best and most advanced platforms out there for technical analysis. This integration gives you access to superior charting and analysis tools, so your trading experience can be better compared to traditional platforms like MetaTrader. It also gives you enhanced market analysis capabilities, which is helping you easily keep track of market trends and make informed trading decisions using intuitive tools. Another big advantage for beginners is that Fortuno Markets provides comprehensive educational resources covering everything from basic Forex knowledge to advanced trading strategies. On top of that, they also offer free trading signals from professional analysts, which means that you will get expert guidance to make smarter decisions in your trading. And what I also really liked is how clean and beginner-friendly their whole interface looks. Everything is super organized, and you can clearly see what's going on at every moment. On the left side of the screen, you've got your main trading panel with all the major pairs, metals, and indices. You see real-time price updates, spreads, and market changes right there, so it's very easy to pick and enter trades instantly. Right above that, there is the calendar, copy trading, top movers, news, and social feed tabs, which are all there to help you stay updated with everything happening in the markets. On the right side, the TradingView chart is fully integrated, as you can see, which means that you will get clean candles, full zoom and tool access, and real-time technical analysis built straight into the platform. And on the very top, you see your balance, equity, margin, and profit in real time, so there is no need to dig around for anything. There is also an instant deposit button at the top right, so you're ready to jump in at any time. And below all that, your open positions, pending orders, finance, and closed positions are split into clean tabs, so you can manage your trades without the mess. Everything is smooth, simple, and laid out in a way that makes trading easy even if you're brand new. They also have a copy trading section where you can browse through different money managers and see their stats in real time, including return on investment and full performance charts. You can switch between PAM and social trading modes, search for traders, check out their full trading history, and choose to follow them directly from the dashboard. Everything is very easy to read, fully visualized, and laid out clearly, which makes it simple to decide who follow, especially if you're still learning or want to automate part of your strategy. Guys, this is the kind of platform that is actually designed to help beginners get started the right way because along with low trading costs and strong fund security, they also bring in cutting-edge technology and solid educational support. Everything they offer makes the entire experience smoother, smarter, and easier to follow, which is exactly why this gem stands out as one of the best Forex brokers for anyone starting their trading journey right now. So if you're looking for a platform that actually supports new traders with low fees, full fund protection, clean trading view charts, instant withdrawals, copy trading, and powerful education, Fortuno Markets really checks all the boxes. As always, I will drop all the links you need down below so you can explore it yourself and see if it's the right fit. Don't forget to like this video if it helped, subscribe to my channel for more breakdowns like this, and share it with someone who needs to see it. That's it for today's video, guys. This is your favorite altcoin gem finder signing off.